Hi, I'm Dr. Kyra Chadbourne. I'm from Falmouth Dentistry in Falmouth, Maine. Total Immersion gives you the tools that you need, but it unites your entire team so that everybody's on the same page. Like, we've all heard the information and it resonates with each individual differently. And the part that's really cool about it is each person takes something different out of it, but then we can connect the dots and make it better on a whole. So it just, when you think about culture and a common mindset, Total Immersion is like, it's the place for that. It's like a proven recipe that will lead your team to success for sure. I'm confident of that. Okay, so if no one has been to Total Immersion before, I would tell them that this is the place for all of the struggles that you're going through, no matter how small or large, to address those. It's like the best starting point. It's going to unite your team. It shows your team that you're invested in the culture and in their individual jobs and just helping them to do better. You cannot go wrong with this class. It's my second time. I flew my whole entire team from Maine to Texas because I believe in it that much. And you will see direct impact in your practice when you get back to the office. And I think that's the unique thing about this course. It's not just you that gets excited about it, it's your whole team.